question. Okay, this was, I think it's from Thursday too. Shalom Tov. Regarding saying blessing on cut down flower trees. I wonder if the bracha would help.
Almost like cut down flower trees.
Cut down flower trees. Yeah.
Okay, on this blessing on blooming of the fruit trees, I think. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I lost the question. Oh, there it is. Cut down flower trees. I wonder if the bracha would help the soul inside with the tikkun after being cut down.
That's a very good question. So, meaning what if I understand the question correctly, maybe in one of these flowers was a soul of somebody. This was captured. So now when you cut the trees, I think that the soul would expire. Because why? Because if the soul was attached to something like a rock or something right, some other physical object, this can continue forever, right? Or some other physical object like either a metal plate on the wall or something, right? But here tree, yes, once cut down from the source of living, it's dead, right? So I would say the same would apply to the whole tree. Is it good for a tree? I don't know. Is it bad? I don't. Maybe if somebody would make a blessing on this, is it going to help neshama? Maybe it's going to help neshama to release it. Yeah. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.